One, this is the Gold and Silver Pros with your host Alexander Horat. Before we begin, if you could please subscribe to the channel and leave a like on the video and hit that notification bell, that would be greatly appreciated. So today we're going to be talking about the Federal Reserve. So they're meeting today, and we're going to see whether or not they're going to be cutting interest rates again. They already cut interest rates 3 times this year, so they've definitely been on a downward trend when it comes to interest rates. So if they cut interest rates, they're saying that's going to be about 0.25 basis points. So it says right here on Yahoo Finance, the Federal Reserve's final meeting began on Tuesday morning, December 9th, and the central bank is scheduled to announce its final monetary decision at 2 p.m. ET on Wednesday afternoon. So investors expect that the Fed will cut rates by 25.25%, its third cut of the year. So we're going to see whether or not the Federal Reserve does that. Basically, they haven't really been trying to rein in inflation at all. At first, the Federal Reserve was trying to keep the interest rates high so inflation would go down. But now they seem to be on a downward trend. And at the same time, the United States is still printing loads of money. We're getting in huge debt. So I think that's one reason why we see the silver price and the gold price, basically these tangible assets, hitting all-time highs. They're basically at all-time highs. Silver's at $60.92, so almost 61 bucks, and that's pretty much its all-time high ever in history. And same with gold. We see them a little down right now in because there's always the possibility that Federal Reserve could choose to halt interest rates and not change them, or to increase the interest rate as well, which is fairly unlikely, but you never know what will happen. So we're going to see, but as interest rates go down, that's going to greatly increase the gold and silver price as well. And platinum and palladium don't seem to be doing as well today for some reason, but I think gold and silver will definitely go up if interest rates go down. And we're also going to see another thing go up as well. We're going to see home prices go up because that's really tied into the interest rates as well. As interest rates go down, the cost of borrowing money goes down. So that'll make more people wanting to buy houses, and that might increase the housing prices because of the interest rate lowering. So we're going to see what happens there, but it could provide a boost to the economy in some ways, but in another way, it's going to make the US dollar weaker, which is also a huge problem. So definitely, if you want to protect your wealth, definitely store your wealth in gold or silver or precious metal because that's not going to lose money from inflation. But if you're storing your wealth in dollars, well, unfortunately, you're going to lose money through inflation every year. And as it gets worse, just look at Venezuela. That's my mom's home country. The people used to have a very stable currency. It used to be one of the strongest currencies in the world. But then Hugo Chavez took over. They nationalized all the corporations, basically. And now we have Nicolas Maduro, and the Venezuela Bolivar went to zero, basically. And it's a huge problem. And many people were forced to eat food out of trash cans or had no food at all because their savings were wiped out because the Bolivar was destroyed. So you definitely need to protect yourself from hyperinflation or even just a long drawn out costly inflation as well, even if it's not hyperinflation. Inflation is still inflation, and you need to protect yourself from it or face big problems. So I just like to thank everyone for watching this video. Please share it with your friends. Please subscribe to the channel. And please leave a like on the video. And we'll see what the Federal Reserve will do today. All bets are basically showing that they're going to lower interest rates. So we'll see if that happens. Thanks again for watching. Hope you have a good rest of your day. Thank you and goodbye.